Are you interested in learning about the advantages of using castor oil before bedtime? Castor oil has been utilized for many years in various cultures as a natural remedy, and it has a range of health benefits, from moisturizing the skin to serving as a laxative. Many of these applications are not commonly known. Our video will explore the incredible impacts of using castor oil before bed. Does it actually enhance sleep quality and serve as an effective treatment for insomnia? Join us as we uncover the reality of castor oil and its advantages. But before we dive in, we have an interesting fact to share with you. Are you experiencing difficulty with your bowel movements? It's a common problem that many people face from time to time. Luckily, there is a natural remedy that can help. Castor oil is a powerful laxative that can alleviate constipation and promote healthy bowel movements. It has been approved by medical professionals as a stimulative laxative, which works by increasing the movement of the muscles responsible for pushing food through your intestines. This can be particularly helpful for individuals who need to empty their bowels before a medical procedure or those suffering from temporary constipation. Castor oil is ingested orally and broken down in your body, releasing rice and oleic acid into your small intestine. This acid is absorbed by your intestine, resulting in a laxative effect. Numerous studies have demonstrated the efficacy of castor oil as a laxative, with one study showing that it can reduce the symptoms of constipation in older adults and another study revealing its effectiveness in clearing out the bowels of patients undergoing colonoscopies. However, it's important to use caution when using castor oil. Taking too much can lead to nausea, diarrhea, and cramping. It's crucial to consume it in small quantities and avoid using it as a treatment method if you have any long-term health issues. If you're looking for alternatives to castor oil for improving your bowel movements, there are some other options that you can try. For instance, yogurt and kefir are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial microorganisms that promote gut health and soften stool. You may also consider incorporating pulses and clear soup into your diet, which not only provide nutrition but also add moisture to hard, compacted stools. Pulses contain several essential nutrients that are effective in relieving constipation, such as potassium, folate, zinc, and vitamin B6. Are you tired of dealing with dry skin that never seems to stay moisturized? Despite using various creams and lotions, your skin continues to feel dry and uncomfortable, which can be frustrating when you're out in public. Fortunately, castor oil can come to the rescue as a natural moisturizer. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil is a type of monounsaturated fatty acid that can help hydrate your skin, providing relief from dryness and restoring moisture. They ensure that the outer layer of your skin doesn't lose any water. Castor oil is present in the ingredients list of most cosmetic products used for moisturizing. However, if you want to moisturize your skin, you don't necessarily need to use store-bought products. You can apply castor oil directly to your skin to avoid exposure to other harmful ingredients that may cause irritation and do more harm than good. By doing so, you can reduce your exposure to these harmful ingredients and save money, as castor oil is much cheaper. To keep your skin moisturized, you can apply this oil not only on your body but also on your face. Often, people mix castor oil with other oils that are gentler on the skin, such as coconut or almond oil, to create a highly nourishing moisturizer due to the thickness of castor oil. However, it's crucial to conduct a patch test before incorporating it into your skincare routine, as some individuals may experience allergic reactions. It's recommended to test a small area of skin, like the back of your hand, before using it extensively. Castor oil has a surprising benefit: it can aid in the healing of wounds. If applied properly, castor oil can help with the healing process. However, it's important to note that castor oil won't work miracles and isn't a substitute for professional medical care for severe injuries. But for small, manageable wounds, castor oil can be effective. When applied to a wound, castor oil creates a moist environment that prevents the area from drying up. Vinolex is a widely used ointment for wound treatment that is frequently recommended by medical professionals. It contains a combination of castor oil and Peru balsam, a powerful balm. Vinolex is commonly utilized as a dressing for skin ulcers, burns, and surgical wounds. The ricinoleic acid found in castor oil can alleviate inflammation and reduce pain. Numerous studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of castor oil in wound healing. In one such study, an 81-year-old patient with an abdominal surgical wound that was unresponsive to other treatments was healed using a spray containing balsam of Peru, castor oil, and the enzyme TRIPS. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that ointments with castor oil contain other components, so it's important to consult with your doctor to ensure that the ointment is safe to use on the specific wound you want to treat. Castor oil's therapeutic properties are not limited to its traditional uses, as it has some surprising benefits too. For instance, did you know that it can help maintain dentures? Many people struggle to keep their dentures clean and healthy, and castor oil can come in handy for this purpose. Proper cleaning and storage of dentures are critical to prevent bacteria and fungi growth, which can lead to specific problems such as candida infections. If you have a family member who uses dentures, using castor oil can be an effective way to ensure that their dentures are in good condition. Overgrowth of candida fungi in your mouth can lead to an infection called denture stomatitis, causing irritation, redness, and inflammation in the tissues of your mouth. Castor oil can help prevent the development of fungi on dentures, thereby reducing the risk of infection. One study found that soaking dentures in a 10% castor oil solution for 20 minutes reduced the number of bacteria and fungi on them. In a separate study, 30 older men with denture-related stomatitis were given a mouthwash containing castor oil as an ingredient, resulting in a significant improvement in symptoms and a reduction in inflammation. Yet another study showed that brushing and soaking dentures in a castor oil solution led to a significant decrease in candida fungi infections in older adults who wear dentures. Do you struggle with falling asleep at night? Like constipation, sleeplessness is a problem that affects many of us from time to time. Fortunately, castor oil can also be used as a natural remedy for those suffering from insomnia, a common sleep disorder that causes difficulty falling asleep and staying asleep. This can leave people feeling tired and sluggish during the day, affecting their work performance and productivity. The impact of insomnia can even extend to other areas of life, creating a domino effect on overall well-being. Many people turn to medication to address their sleeping difficulties, but this can lead to overuse, abuse, and addiction. Furthermore, if the medication fails to work, it can be a frustrating experience. Fortunately, if you're struggling with sleep issues, castor oil may be a viable alternative. Applying a small amount of castor oil to your eyelids before bed can help you relax and fall asleep more easily. Castor oil can be an effective solution for insomnia, but not everyone may feel comfortable applying it directly to their eyelids. Fortunately, there are alternative methods that can help. Aromatherapy is one such option that can help relax the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep. Mixing essential oils with castor oil can be used as a carrier oil to enhance the benefits of the essential oil. Aromas such as peppermint, lavender, and damask rose can be especially useful for this purpose. You can simply massage the oil mixture onto your temples to promote relaxation and restful sleep. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful information about natural remedies and health benefits. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications for our latest videos. If you're interested in learning more about healthy fruits, check out our next video about 8 healthy fruits you should eat and 8 you should not. Now, we want to hear from you. What natural remedies have you tried to alleviate constipation or dry skin? Leave a comment below and let us know. We appreciate your support and feedback, and we'll see you in the next video.